Get started with screeners on Nuvama Markets app. Here's how to use screeners on Nuvama Markets app. Go to the left side menu and tap on screeners. Choose from the 8 predefined categories. Select the screener of your choice from the multiple options. Choose up to 3 parameters. Directly add stocks to your watch list. Your recently viewed screeners will feature on top of the first screeners page. You can select your favorite screeners. Now scan, spot with Nuvama screeners. Available on Nuvama Markets app and TX3.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.